This video is on consequences of PAN becoming inoperative if it is not linked with Aadhaar. The video covers consequences that apply if PAN of an individual becomes inoperative when it is not linked with Aadhaar till 30th June 2023. However, there are individuals who do not possess the Aadhaar number and who fall under any of the exempted categories envisaged in CPDT notification number 37/2017 dated 11th May 2017. Such individuals will not be subject to the effects of PAN becoming inoperative. So therefore, if you have not linked your Aadhaar with your PAN till 30th of June 2023, your PAN has become inoperative. In such cases, as per CBDT Circular Number 3/2023 dated 28th March 2023, once the PAN has become inoperative, pending refunds will not be issued. Interest on refund shall not be payable for the period beginning with July 1, 2023 and ending with the date on which the PAN becomes operative. Where TDS is required to be deducted in case of such an individual, such tax shall be deducted at a higher rate. Similarly, where TCS is required to be collected, such tax shall be collected at a higher rate. In addition to the above, once the PAN becomes inoperative, you might face difficulty at various other fora like banks and other financial portals, as PAN is one of the important KYC criteria for all kinds of financial transactions. Please note, these consequences are effective from 1st July 2023 and will be applicable till the time the PAN becomes operative. However, you can still link your PAN with your Aadhaar on the e-filing portal with a fee of ₹1,000. As already discussed, the consequences of PAN becoming inoperative shall not be applicable to persons who fall in any of the exempted category. Let us now see the category of individuals who are exempted for linking their PAN with Aadhaar. So an individual who does not possess the Aadhaar number or the enrollment ID and is residing in the states of Jammu and Kashmir, Assam and Meghalaya, or a non-resident taxable person as per the Income Tax Act, or a person aged more than 80 years, or a person who is not a citizen of India, is exempted to link the PAN with Aadhaar. In case your PAN has become inoperative, you can still link your PAN with Aadhaar on the e-filing portal. There are 3 main steps for linking Aadhaar with PAN. In the first step, you are required to make the payment of applicable fee on e-filing portal under Major Head 21 and Minor Head 500. After payment of the fee, you can submit the Aadhaar PAN linking request on the e-filing portal, and thereafter you can check the Aadhaar PAN linking status. Let us now see some of the frequently asked questions by the taxpayers. Some of the questions could be that can you still link your Aadhaar with PAN after 30th of June 2023, and is there any time limit specified to link Aadhaar with PAN after this date? Please note, you can still link your Aadhaar with PAN anytime after 30th June 2023. You are just required to make the payment of applicable fee on the e-filing portal. However, after 30th June 2023, till the time the Aadhaar is not linked, your PAN will be inoperative. You would also be interested in knowing that when you link your Aadhaar with PAN after 30th June 2023, will it get operative within 30 days? Yes, your PAN will become operative once it is linked with Aadhaar. Another very important question could be that can I still file my income tax return without linking Aadhaar with PAN? Please note, you can still file your income tax return without linking PAN with Aadhaar. However, refund will not be issued to you and interest on refund will not be provided after 30th June 2023 till the date of linking your PAN with Aadhaar. There could be a situation that you might belong to exempted categories of Aadhaar linking and still your PAN might have become inoperative. In such a case, you are required to check the PAN details as per the PAN database in the profile section of the e-filing portal to ensure that you fall in the exempted categories. The taxpayers might also face the problem that they've made the payment of Aadhaar linking, but there is a name mismatch. They would be interested in knowing that if they approach the nearby biometric center to link it, do they have to pay the fee again? Please note that you are required to carry your PAN, Aadhaar, and the fee pay challan copy and avail the facility after paying requisite biometric authentication charge at the center. In case your PAN Aadhaar linking has failed due to demographic data, that is name, date of birth or gender mismatch, you are required to please contact Protean at the given details. To update your name in Aadhaar, you can contact UDAI as per the given details. You can also send an email to the UDAI help desk via email at authsupport@udai.net.in requesting specifically for data extraction for your Aadhaar number. If linking request still fails, you are advised to avail the option of biometric-based authentication at dedicated centers of PAN service providers. Here you are required to carry your PAN, Aadhaar, and fee pay challan copy and avail the facility after paying requisite biometric authentication charge at the center. For details of authorized service providers for biometric authentication, the respective websites of Protean and UTI ITSL may be visited. In case your PAN has become inoperative, you can still make it operative by linking it with your Aadhaar. To know more, you can visit our website